everybody, I'm Adam. Welcome back to Mustang Nation. We're back here with Project Quicksilver, and over the past few videos, she really has taken on a much more aggressive look. So what's next? A while back I did a video putting in the Mach I grill insert, emulating the look of the legendary 03-04 Mustang Mach I. So I figure it's high time to complete the look with a Mach I chin spoiler. Whoa, I'm gonna stop the video right here, because I had originally planned this to be a how-to video, like how to install a Mach I chin spoiler. But I have to be honest, when you're doing a project like this, on the ground, under the car, trying to show things, things don't always work out. So what I decided to do for this one was give you a little overview of how I did it. I chose to go with the chin spoiler from Late Model Restoration, both because of its price and its high quality. First, you want to leave the Mach I chin spoiler in the sun for about an hour on a nice sunny day. That'll make it nice and pliable. The first thing you have to do is jack the car up, obviously. Get the front high enough where you're comfortable working on it. Next, get a drill and a 1/4 inch or maybe a 5/16 drill bit and a Sharpie. Next, I used some light duty masking tape and some clamps to hold the chin spoiler up so that I could mark the holes with a Sharpie. Then I used the drill bit to drill holes all around the perimeter. The retaining pins that LMR sends you are OEM style. They're push with the screw in the center. They do work very well, but on the very ends near the wheel wells, I found that I had to cut them so that it would fit inside of that really tight space. 5 seconds with a good pair of scissors and we were on our way. Like I said, I had planned on making this a more detailed step-by-step, but if you're looking for something like that, I recommend going to LMR's YouTube channel and watch their how-to video. I'll put a link down below where you can check it out, or maybe even put a card right up there. Now that the spoiler's on, let's give it a wash. Well, the chin spoiler's on, she's washed up, and she's got a nice coat of wax. She's all ready for that car show next weekend, and that's going to be a good time, and I just might take the camera along. It should be a really good time with a lot of beautiful cars and good people. And to be honest, I'm really looking forward to it. This car has come a long way in a very short period of time. I know I like it, I know my son likes it, so it's already a win anyway. There are other things that I have planned for this car that I haven't done yet. Like this brake upgrade. Currently has stock PBR 11-inch front brakes. I do have a set of 13-inch Mach I brakes I'm going to be putting on the front, but I'm trying to decide whether I should paint the front and rear brake calipers bright red, kind of like a bullet theme, or should I just leave them alone. I'm kind of leaning towards going to that red bullet-like look because I think it'll really pop with the NVX wheels. But I'd love to hear what you think about it. Hit me up in the comment section down below. So that's going to just about wrap up this video. And if you did, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe so you get all the latest content here on the channel. And if you want to hit that notification bell, you will be notified when new content is released. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you.